Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to install Arduino libraries in Proteus, how to design the circuit, and how the code works. Let's begin. Imagine the door that opens only when you enter the correct password. No keys, no locks, just a smart system. In today's video, we are going to build a password protected door lock system using Arduino, and we will simulate it completely in Proteus. Plus, I will explain full code step by step so you can build it yourself. Let's get started. We can create a new project. Select a folder. First, we place the Arduino Uno in Proteus. If Arduino components are not showing in your Proteus, go to the Google and search for the Arduino libraries in Proteus. Go to that engineering projects website. Just download the zip files from that link and extract it. Copy that files into the Proteus library folder. Restart the Proteus and then now search for the Arduino. This is the brain of our projects. It controls all components like LCD, keypad, servo motors. All the inputs and outputs are connected to this board. Now we add 16 by 2 LCD display. To show the messages like password input and system status. Connect that D7 pin to A0. D6 pin to A1. D5 pin to A2. And D4 pin to A3. Connect that RS pin to A4 and that enable pin to A5. These pins are used for data communication between Arduino and LCD. Commanded VSS and RW and connect it to the ground. Connect that VDD to VCC. The LCD will display messages like enter code, access granted, or incorrect password. Now we connect the keypad, which is used to enter the password. That probe pins are connected to D0 to D3. Connected column pins to D4 to D6. When you press a button, Arduino detects the row and columns to identify the key. Next, we add a servo motor, which act as our door lock mechanism. We can connect that signal pin to D9. Power pin to VCC. Ground pin to ground. When the correct password is entered, the servo motor rotates to open the door. Now let's understand how the complete system works. User enters the password using keypad. Arduino checks the entire code. If correct, LCD shows the access granted message. Servo rotates to door open. If wrong, LCD shows the error message. After a few seconds, the system automatically lock again. So basically this is the smart security system built using the Arduino. So this is how the complete circuit is designed and connected in Proteus. Make sure your wiring is correct. Otherwise the systems won't work properly. Now let's understand the code step by step. We start by including the three important libraries. This liquid crystal library is used to control the LCD. This servo data is used to control the servo motor, and that keypad data is used to help to write or read the input from the keypad. Next, we create two objects for servo motors. My servo is used to control the servo motor, and POS is used to control the store the store positions, servo position. It can define the LCD pins connected to the Arduino. Now we define the keypad layout. This means keypad has 4 rows and 3 columns. If this defines the keypad buttons layout. These are Arduino pins are connected to keypad. This line initialize the keypad. Now we define the password. And at current position can track how many digits are entered. These functions runs only when the Arduino starts. This is the main part of our program. This display screen can display the default message welcome on the screen. My servo.attach.9 connects servo to pin 9. Let's LCD dot begin 16, 2. This is used to initialize the 16:2 LCD. Void loop is used to run the commands continuously. This is used to read the key pressed by user. This condition is used to compare the entered key with the password. This is used to check if any key is pressed or not. This condition is used to compare the entered key with the password. It is used to move to the next digit. This condition is used to check if all four digits are incorrect or not. If correct, we can call that function. If incorrect, we can call that incorrect function. Now let's see how the door opens. When the password is correct, this message can be shown on the LCD. By using that loop, we can open the door. That means the servo motor rotates. And to close the door, we can rotate back to the servo motor by using that loop. If password is wrong, that incorrect functions can be called. Shows the incorrect gateway messages. This function can show the default message. Enter the code to open the door. After unlocking, the countdown is start from 5 to 1. So this is how the complete code works, from taking input to verifying passwords and controlling the door. If you understood this, you can easily modify the passwords or even upgrade the system. Now once we finish writing and understand the code, the next step is used to generate the hex file, which we will use in Proteus for simulation. So first click on the compile in Arduino IDE. After compiling successfully, you will see the hex file is generated at the bottom section of our IDE. Now if you don't see the hex file path here, don't worry, I will show you to fix it. Now if you don't see, sure you enable these two options, compile and upload. Make sure your settings look exactly what I am showing on the screen. Once you enable these options, compile the code again. Now you will clearly see the hex file location displayed at the bottom. Just copy the hex file. Because without the hex files, your circuit will not work in the Proteus. And paste it in that board. Let's test the system. If we enter the incorrect password, it shows the code incorrect, get away. When I enter the correct password, 0, 1, 2, 3, LCD shows access granted. Servo rotates. Means the doors can open. Then the countdown is started. After the countdown is completed, the door is closed. With the servo motor rotate back. See, you can upgrade this project by adding fingerprint sensor, mobile app integrations, and buzzer alarm system. If you want to a tutorial on this, let me know. Thanks for watching.